The principle of inclusions is going to help us to determine what's older when it comes to, like, let's say, two igneous bodies that are next to each other. If we look at this example here, we have a diorite that was clearly intruded by a granite. And because we have this whole picture, it's pretty easy to see that. But sometimes we don't have that whole picture. But let's talk about the logic there. In this case, the diorite I have represented by a blue color. What's happening is you have chunks of the diorite that are inside that granite. So if you were to look at there, you have granite, granite, granite. Oh, here's some weird diorite chunks in there. And so what we would say is like, oh, that makes sense because the diorite was everywhere. The granite came in and little bits of that diorite kind of got rafted over and stuck in there and cooled and kind of maintained their shape and their form and their mineralogy there. And so it makes sense that you have these little bits of diorite that have been trapped in. From that picture, all of that lines up. Those are the inclusions. They've been included into the younger item. So in this case, the granite is going to be younger than the diorite. Okay. So now let's take this example over here. You might have just this snippet where you don't have the whole picture. So you don't know if the gabbro was there and the granite came in, or the granite was there and the gabbro came in. So you'd have to look at the inclusions. So let's say in this example that we've got bits of gabbro that are sticking in here. So these inclusions are there. So in that case, you'd say, okay, the gabbro had to be there and then the granite came in second. So in this case, again, the granite is younger than the gabbro. All right, and that's it.